Hi, I'm Danny. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the light bulbs in your heating and air conditioning control head. I'll be doing this on my 2009 Honda Civic. These bulbs are easy to replace and it's an inexpensive fix. However, it does require removing the HVAC control head. But don't worry, I've got you covered on that. I'll show you how to remove it, then we'll get them light bulbs out. Let's get started and remove the trim panels. Now to get the kick panel off, you just reach under here. That's it. All you're doing is releasing the clips. Now there's going to be one screw right here. So let's go ahead and pull this screw out. And then from here, we can just go ahead and pull the trim panel off. Just come around, pull, pull, tug a little bit here, come around here, go ahead and loosen this and bring your steering wheel down a little bit. There it is. And then right back here, there's a connector. And let's go ahead and pull that connector out. And then we can go ahead and just put this aside also. Now we gotta come over and get this trim piece off right here. And if you look underneath here, you're just gonna reach right in here. There'll be a little tab. And you're gonna pull this down. All right, and just put this aside, and there's going to be a couple of screws in here. And this one looks like it's already missing. All right, so the next step, let's go ahead and remove this panel. Let's go ahead and get the trim tool up here. All right. All right, so now it's a matter of just removing the connectors. This is the airbag light. This is the hazard switch. There we go. Down here it looks like the AC control unit. And over here is the radio. There it is. There's a tab right at the top here. And then probably that tab maybe. Yep. So now we'll just take this over to the bench. All right, so with this radio head control unit out, the first thing you need to do is remove these knobs. And to do that, it's fairly easy. You gotta get behind here with a screwdriver and just pop these out. So there's one, there's two, and then let's go ahead and flip this over. And then we just have 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go ahead and get those out. Here it is. And then the control unit will come out. There we go. And then we have to take out these screws right here. There's one. Two. And three. Looks like that. Oh, there's one more here. Four. All right, so once you get the 4 screws out of the control head, there's 4 tabs here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you want to do is you want to get in here and loosen those tabs. There's 1, there's 2, oh, that one popped back in. Okay, there's 2, then we'll flip it over. 3, 4. So there's the 4 tabs. Just put this aside. And then here's your light bulbs right here. These are on each light. Now from here, I just come in, get in here with a screwdriver, twist it, and pull it out. They're tiny little things. There's the light. So my lights are good. I'm just showing you how to do it. So now let's go ahead and put it back in. And when you go buy these at the dealer, you're going to have to specify what light it is. What I mean by that is that the AC light, the max, you know, which light bulb it is. Some of them are the same, but I believe some of them are different. So, and then to put it back in there, you just do it the reverse order. Make sure everything's lined up. There it goes. Goes that way. That. Click back in the tabs. And reinstall all the screws and put it back into the dash. If you need help with the installation, watch my video on installing a multimedia player. I'll put a link up here and at the end of the video. I hope you learned something in today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.